first, the 33, Jim Glasgow. Second, Kyle Lewis. Great qualifying effort by Kyle. Third, Gary Lewis. Fourth, John Vick. Fifth, John Glasgow. Sixth, Dick Reese. Seventh, Zach Lewis. Eighth, Jay Farsi. Ninth, Travis Carpenter. Hey, Karen, you want to watch the start of this? Make sure make the call on if the start's good.
Yeah, watch that 24.
All right. Drivers ready. Corners ready. Less than 5. Good man. Thanks. Jim Glasgow leads the way 4-1. Kyle Lewis 4-1. Gary Lewis 4-0. John Vick 4-1. Jay Farsi 4-0. Dick Reese 4-0. John Glasgow 4-2. Let's see. Travis Carpenter 4-2. Zach Lewis 4-1. Jim Glasgow continues to lead. Gary Lewis in the second. Kyle Lewis third. John Vick 4th. John Glasgow 5th. Jay Farsi 6th. Dick Reese 7th. Travis Carpenter 8th. Zach Lewis 9th. Top 7 on the lead lap. 4-1 Jim, 4-1 Gary, 4-1 John, Vic, 4-1 Kyle, 4-2, 4-1 John, 4-1 Farsi, 4-1 Reese, 4-2 Travis, 4-1 lap.
Oh, hey, there's my sticker. No, it's no, right here. Big looking.
Jim Glasgow leads the way, followed by Gary Lewis now second back. 4.2 pure leader Jim Glasgow, 4-1 Gary Lewis, 4-1 John Vick. John Glasgow runs 4th, Dick Reese runs 5th. Dave Farsi 6th, Kyle Lewis 7th. Those are your top 7 on the lead lap. Eighth place, Travis Carpenter down 1, Zach Lewis down 2 in 9th. 4-3 adding leader Jim Glasgow, Gary Lewis 1900 to the second back to the 4-4. John Vick moves in the third position. Dick Reese up to the 4th spot. John Glasgow 5th, 3.4 back. Dave Farsi 1 lap down. He is 7/10 of the second off the lead lap. Kyle Lewis is 1.1 back. Travis Carpenter is 2 laps down. Zach is 2 laps down. We are at the halfway point. PQ is 72.501. We are currently on 74.502.
It's better once lap is done.
I was bending over like this doing it instead of standing up.
Yeah,
Well, we're having trouble with that taking, so I pulled the taking out and put the TTV in, and I had the taking turned down, so yeah, they worked with
Gary Lewis now leads the way. Jim Glasgow second by 1,600 of a second. John Vick 7/10 of a second back in third. Dick Reese 2.9 back. John Glasgow 3.8 back. Kyle Lewis and Jay Farsi are 6th and 7th, duking it out for the spot 1 lap down. Zach Lewis, Travis Carpenter in 8th and 9th, 3 down. 73.5 lap to pace. Gary Lewis is your leader. Zach Lewis off the backstretch. We got one in the infield. Caution on the backstretch. 2 cars stuck together. Look at man. Gary Lewis leads the way. Dick Reese 2.8. Jim Glasgow 3.5 back. Gary Lewis, Dick Reese, Jim Glasgow are your leaders. They're on the lead lap. John Glasgow is 1.3 off the lead lap. Kyle Lewis Parsi in seventh is four back. Zach Lewis, four back. Travis Carpenter off the track, it appears. Your top three on the lead lap. Gary, Dick, and Jim. 35 seconds left to go. 73, 503. 4-2 out of Gary Lewis. 4-3 out of Nick Reese. 4-2 out of Jim. 4-2 John. 4-3 Kyle. 4-3 John. 4-3 Parsi. 4-7 Zach. 4-4 Travis. 15 seconds left to go. Gary Lewis 4-2. Dick Reese 4-3. Gary Lewis is leading for second place. Dick Reese is 2.6. Jim Glasgow 3.5 seconds back. Get ready to finish the lap, drivers. Gary Lewis wins it at 72. Dick Reese second with 72. 2.56 back. Jim Glasgow was 3.89 back with 71. John Glasgow fourth with 71. Kyle Lewis fifth with 71. John Vick sixth with 71.